don't know if you guys can see this, but it is pollen all over the place in Florida. Like, look at that shit. Just like, look at the streaks on it. But it's like 80 degrees, so I can't complain. The luxury of living in Florida, baby. It's freaking beautiful. What's up, guys? Hopefully the UPS guy gets here soon so I can show you some parts and shit. So I got the Gilmer kit in. I got a few other parts coming in today. I think like the couplers are coming in today. These fittings right here coming in today. My alternator bracket gets shipped out today from Built2apex. A lot of the big parts are still being made. If you guys know RX-7s, like the parts for them, especially aftermarket parts, a lot of them have to get made. So like they're not pre-made. It's not like fucking Honda parts where you order them and then they're shipping out the next day, like literally, but it's just not like that with these. So it's like shipping takes forever. But I'm trying to get as many videos out as I can. Whenever I get something in, I'll make a video of it. But I got the Gilmer kit in. So I guess with the FDs, you have to drill the holes. It is what it is. I made it work, but it does work. So that's how the kit is gonna go. Alternator there and all that. Like I said, my alternator bracket's coming in soon. It's shipped out today. I talked to them over that Built2apex. I should have like the piping and shit in maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I probably won't post this video until I do all that. Once I do everything, I'll probably post a video. I don't want to put like another 5-minute video up. It's kind of boring, but I still got to get the turbo manifold. I got to get the radiator. I got to get a bunch of shit. So still waiting on that. I'm going to bust out a few more videos as much as I can for you guys. Just be patient and I'll get things done. But I just want to show you guys the Gilmer kit. And if I got some more stuff coming in today, maybe I'll do it tonight. I don't know. We'll see what's up. Look at all the belts I got over here, man. It's like, my lens was all dirty. Got like fucking 25 fucking belts in here. All the pulleys. This is a fake one. This is a real one. So yeah. Unfortunately, I can't use the Gates belt. I guess it's just not meant to work, but at least this belt came with lettering compared to this fucking Chinese thing that like didn't come with shit. It's all good though. You win some, you lose some. I couldn't return it because I already drilled through it. So they ain't taking that shit back. But it's all good. If anybody wants this kit, I mean, I'm pretty sure it'll work. Just let me know and I'll give it to you for like really cheap. It works. I mean, I got the pulley on there and shit. Ooh, skills. All right, my battery's running low, so I'm gonna make this quick. I'm eating a meatball, I'm a fat ass. True Italian meatball, my mom's Italian. This is either gonna be a major win or a major fail. So, these are the old ones. You can tell the difference. So we'll see what's up. All right, so these pipes are a little long. This is kind of how the setup goes. And then you have this that's gonna go right up right here. So I'm gonna get this pipe cut and it's gonna be cut to right about there so that I can go there. But I think these pipes gotta get cut short too. They're a little long. So I don't know, maybe I should put everything in first and then see if I should cut them shorter. For some reason, they just look a little bit long to me, but you guys let me know if I should cut them or leave them kind of long like that. This one has to get cut regardless. But I think it would probably look a little bit better if I maybe had it curved, like start curving like right here down. But yeah, this one will go that way to the radiator, and then this one will go to the reservoir, from the reservoir to the water pump to the radiator. So yeah, it worked out, man. Looks pretty good. What's up, guys? It's Thursday now, and I just got a part in, so let's see what it is. It's a OMP delete. Built2apex alternator side mount. So, all right, so I got the side mount on there. Looks good. It's gonna go black though. It doesn't look right with the gray in the bay with all the black and red in there, but it's built really well. You have to take the stud out from the inside. All right, guys. Well, that's it for tonight. I got the bracket on there. Looks good. I'll probably bring it in and do a little quick video of it so you guys can see it. But I still got to paint it black. I'm not going to leave it that gray color. So.